Alright, here's the package. We're trying some new stuff this week. So let's get it open. I'm actually going to cut here because there's no way I can do this one-handed. So if I didn't mention, this is from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It's my first order from them. And apparently they sell a bunch of other stuff, lamps and coins, and they threw in a sticker. So yeah, that's what else you get with your stuff. Opener today was Leatherman Surge. Thanks, buddy. So, I tried out some cheaper options. Wow, does this even have... Okay, there's a product code. Tried out some cheaper stuff today. Hey, I've never owned a butterfly knife, so this is... Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna have to figure this out, apparently. This was like, I don't know, under 10 bucks. I think it's like M-Tech, maybe an even worse brand. Is it sharp? I mean, yeah, pretty much. The tip is sharp, the edge is not. Yeah, I shouldn't be able to just like do this. So pretty dull edge. Ooh, yeah, very pokey tip. Okay. Construction feels okay. A little bit of rattle. I already know to keep my hand, since I'm a beginner, over here on the non-blade side. That way if I hit myself, it's not going to hurt. But yeah, this will be interesting. I'm sure you'll see some updates about how I'm progressing learning tricks. I'm really going to try my best. Alright, let's move on to the next thing. Old Forge. This is another different choice for me. Oh, lovely. Maybe some lead in here even. Good stuff. This is an Old Forge Barlow. And it's got like a spiral pattern or something. Holy crap, this thing is a chunky monkey. Look at the thickness on that. Let's actually, so just so you can tell, it's very shadowy right here, unfortunately. Yeah, it's pretty chunky, even next to the Surge, which is a real chonk of a knife, or multi-tool really. Interesting jimping. Yeah, so you can see this interesting like pattern we have. There's a made in sticker. Where is it made? I can't read it. Pakistan. Yep. Made in Pakistan. Let's get this open, maybe, possibly one-handed. This is a quick cutaway while I get the knife open. Look at all the crud in here. Interesting. Okay, so this is going to be some work to actually get it clean. There might be some corrosion in there. There's certainly junk in the jimping, junk in the handle scales, the bolsters. So we've got a little bit of work to do to dress this thing up. Feels good though. Nice and solid, nice and heavy. So yeah, maybe I'll make a little leather pouch or something. But anyway, let's get back to it. Ooh man, that's a strong retention. Oh yeah, this is gonna need some lubricant. Holy crap. Wow, okay, so I'm not super worried about that closing on my hand. And you can see this is like a Damascus type steel. No idea what that crap is right there. Corrosion maybe? So it's rough. But yeah, both of these together was like under 30 bucks shipped. So yeah, trying out some new real budget, I don't want to call them low quality, but cheaply made stuff. So yeah, that's what's going on with me today. It's these. thanks for joining me. You will see updates about these particular knives in the future. I'm going to try and carry them, so we'll see how it goes. For more content, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I also do fountain pen stuff and occasional typewriter stuff, so if you're interested, stick around. I've been Joe. You've been watching Ink and Iron. Hope you have a good day, and I'll catch you on my next video.